Next, we will demonstrate the satin stitch. Using 4 strands of floss, color number 7. Bring the needle through at pattern center. Bring the needle down at the bottom point. Divide the pattern in half. Bring the needle through next to previous stitch. Bring the needle down in the same position below. Let's demonstrate it one more time. Bring the needle through next to previous stitch. Then bring the needle down at the position below. Repeat this action to complete the pattern. Keep stitch spacing even while working. Arrange stitches closely in parallel. This creates smooth, lustrous satin effect. The satin stitch is perfect for filling large areas, often used for petals, leaves, and geometric shapes. It's a commonly used stitch. After finishing one end of the pattern, we'll stitch the other end. Bring the needle through at this middle position. Bring the needle down at the bottom. Follow the same steps as before. Complete the other side. Bring the needle down for the last stitch. The satin stitch is now complete. Let's take a look at the finished result.